In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Wix. If you're looking to work more efficiently and seamlessly with teammates on your Wix website, then you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into the process. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Wix.com sign-up page. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Wix has a user-friendly interface that makes this step straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the specific site you'd like to update. If you're managing multiple sites, you can find the one you're looking for on your dashboard. Select it, and you'll be able to access the editing features you need. Now that we're in the editor, click on Settings and head over to Roles and Permissions. This section is crucial for inviting collaborators, as it provides both you and your teammates the ability to manage the site efficiently. Once you're in the Roles and Permissions section, you'll find the Invite Collaborators button. Click on this, and you'll be able to start the process of bringing others into your project. You'll see a field labeled Emails, and this is where you will input the email addresses of each collaborator you wish to invite. Make sure you separate each email with a comma to avoid any issues. This feature allows you to easily add multiple people at once and ensures you're getting the right individuals involved. After entering the email addresses, you need to assign roles to your collaborators. Wix provides different roles based on the level of access they should have, such as editor, admin, or contributor. Simply check the box next to each role you want to assign. Assigning the right roles not only empowers your team members, but also secures your site's integrity by granting only necessary permissions. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Send Invites. With this simple action, your chosen collaborators will receive an email invitation to join you on your Wix site. They can then access the website under the permissions you've assigned to them and start contributing to the project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to collaborate on Wix with your teammates, making way for a more productive and collaborative working environment. Whether you're working on a professional portfolio, a creative blog, or an online store, inviting collaborators allows multiple minds to work together towards building a fantastic site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!